Good morning, all. Kind of a cloudy morning this morning. Still gorgeous, and fall's supposed to be here tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little warm today, but finally we get a little fall. Yeehaw! Time to go let the chickens out on the yard for the first time ever, and we have help this morning. It'll be fun. Obviously, I didn't get done last night because it still looks like that, but it got dark. Okay, you see the green flashing button there?
Yeah.
Push that. And now it's not flashing anymore, right? Okay. Now. Hold on. Now this thing's kind of hard. This thing's kind of hard, but you got to pull down on that. Pull that up. Hold it on. No, just let them out. Just let them out. You grab them too quick. Good Thursday morning. And it is a beautiful morning. You know what today is? Fall. They said it was coming on Thursday. It's here. It's 55 degrees out here. It's lovely. I couldn't ask for better weather, although it looks like it might rain. It's clouding up and all that, but still, it's a gorgeous day. I think fall is finally here. I'm happy. I've been trying to wait for a little girl to get up and help me get chickens out, but it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. She's not up yet, so since the little girl's not up, I'm gonna go ahead and get the chickens out, let them out. I'm sure they're ready to get out. Yesterday was their first day out in the yard with the big fence. Seemed to make them happy. Once we quit letting the little girl chase them all over the place. Boy, she's good at rounding them up and keeping them underneath the thing. Well, there was only 3 of them out last night. I was going to film that, but we got home late. It was already dark. All of the chickens went into the coop except for 3, which I thought was pretty impressive. But let's go get them out. Get this good looking, this beautiful morning underway. Good morning, little fellas. Everybody's ready to get out on the yard. I think I got a good picture. What? What am I looking at?
It's no more buttons on him. It pushed me that way.
Okay.
Are you Mr. Ross?
Yes, I am.
I'm Linda Wilson's grandson.
Oh.
She sent us with some muffins.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Tell her I appreciate that greatly. Did you ever make one of them mistakes that it's so simple and yet it's so irritating? Out there in my chicken tractor, and we're going to go through that tomorrow, I think. I decided I was going to use this as laying boxes. I've got it all set up. I had this box right here. I bought it at a Peddler's Mall for like $2, and I used it to size everything. This thing will fit right in there. Now the problem with this box is, look at the bottom of it here, it's all nice and tore up there. Wouldn't think that'd be that big of a deal. But then I got more milk crates, and they are about 1/4 of an inch taller. Maybe not quite. These will not fit in my chicken tractor. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to adjust these. I'm going to use the bigger ones. I'm not going to use the one with the hole in the bottom. But I'm going to have to cut this off. I think I'm just going to cut it off one layer there. And then I'm going to cut this open and turn this into my laying boxes. So that's what I'm about. Fixing my little mistake. God, would you look at that? I mean, these, if I push that down, I mean, that's way less than 1/4 of an inch. And they will not fit. I mean, it's so close. They hit top and bottom. I can get them, but I can't make them go in. So, we're going to fix that. Get rid of this one. Just use it as a box. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And I'm probably going to stick these in there. Put a little, I don't know, something in there just to let the chicks get in there and get warm tonight. Because they're small and it's supposed to get down in the 40s tonight. Not terribly cold, but cold enough on them little chicks. Anyway, that's what I'm going to work on. All the chickens are put up now. Sooner or later I'm going to get that on video. But it's dark. We changed plans, went and watched a movie with the little girl. By the time we took her home to Mom and got back, it's pitch black dark. So I had to round them up tonight. Last night they was all in the coop at 3. Tonight it's cold. They was all up underneath the board, the door. And it's a new chicken diet, chasing them rounding up chickens in the dark. It's a heck of a diet. It's hard on an old fat boy. I don't mind the running around too much, but that up and down and up and down, and them little suckers are fast. Anyway, they're in the coop. So tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to go through my chicken tractor, show you what it is that I've designed. Talk about whose basic design it's done after, and exactly how everything works. But in the meantime, remember, my name is Mark. I'm just some old Kentucky homesteader. If you like what we're doing here, hit the subscribe button, ding the little bell, follow along. And in the meantime, you have a blessed day.